Hello, my name is Sofia Alba. I'm a MSc MBA student. I am an environmental engineer and I've made most of my career in the healthcare industry as a sales director formerly, so I have a lot of experience in sales and business development. My ideal plan after the MBA would be to start a company in Mexico, a climate tech company to tackle sustainability challenges while it, it is able to be a sustainable business model in the long run. Specifically, I would like to bring to my home country, Mexico, water tech solutions for better water management, reducing the water crisis, and impact communities that need it. This would be my ideal vision. I would like to start my own company. In that way, I can manage my agenda and actually have something of my own. But one of the main challenges I will face doing this project specifically is actually building a business model that stands in Mexico because there are no regulations to incentivize this kind of technology. Uh, Water is very cheap in Mexico. That is why we have crisis and misusage. But I know that the need for better water management is increasing. So there's probably an inflection point in which the cost of water supply will actually match the cost of having water efficient technologies. So that would be my plan, probably more on the long term. As a plan B, or probably a more realistic plan, would be to enter a climate tech startup either in Spain, the Netherlands, or Italy, and be in a sales or business development role. I could bring my experience in negotiation, relationship management, problem solving, and help the company grow while I learn to develop skills to thrive in a more entrepreneurial environment and to get knowledge in the industry. One of the main challenges here is to actually be able to get a visa to stay in the long term in Europe because I don't have a European passport, and to find a role that matches my profile and the type of company I want to work in and learn from. And as a plan C, my alternative plan would be to go back to the corporate world in a similar role or parallel role from what I have, maybe sales, business development, product, either in the healthcare industry or in the renewable energy sector. I have contacts in both sectors, which can make it more easy to find a job and get a business sponsorship. So maybe that could be a good transition, to get to my ideal job at some point. What I don't like about this is that I've been practically doing the same as I did before. So I would rather skip this step, but I know it might be something necessary on the long run.